Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Kajabi for course sales and funnels, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Kajabi website by entering the URL into your browser. On the home page, locate the Get Started or Start for Free button. Click the button to access Kajabi's sign up page. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your desired password for your Kajabi account. Once you've filled in your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. You may receive a confirmation email from Kajabi. Check your email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. After verification, return to the Kajabi login page. Log in using the email and password you just created. Once logged in, you'll be guided through a brief onboarding process. Follow the prompts to set up your profile. Next, you'll see options for selecting a template for your first course or funnel. Choose a template that best fits your course objectives. Customize your template by adding your branding elements, such as logos and colors. Once your course or funnel is set up, navigate to the Product section in the dashboard. Click on Create New Product to start building your course content. Fill in the course details, including title and description. Add modules and lessons to organize your content effectively. Upload any necessary materials, like videos or PDFs, for your course. After creating your course, proceed to the Sales section in the dashboard. Set up your pricing options, whether one-time payment or subscription model. Configure any payment gateways you wish to use for processing transactions. Next, create a landing page for your course. Use Kajabi's customizable landing page builder to entice your audience. Add compelling copy, images, and call-to-action buttons to your landing page. Once your landing page is complete, preview it to ensure everything looks right. Now, publish your course and landing page for your audience to access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.